We're here at the New York Stock Exchange's second annual Pride Summit, and it's an honor and pleasure to be joined by two NYSE representatives here to talk more about this celebration. Joining me now with more is Matan, the head of capital markets for the New York region, and Erick Diaz, co-head of EMEA from London for the event. Gentlemen, welcome.
Thank you for having us.
Krista.
It's great to have you. Matan, I'll start with you. What does it mean to be celebrating Pride here at the Stock Exchange today?
It's very important and momentous day here because this is a place of influence in the business community as the largest stock exchange in the world and the financial capital of the world. The fact that the New York Stock Exchange is taking a stand to show that this place is open to everyone within our business community that wants to come and raise capital here is the significance of us doing it here. People look up to this place from all over the world, and so that's why we feel we can really influence the way people view the LGBTQ business community.
And we do have global representation as well. Erick, I mentioned you're in from London, and it's great to see you back here at the Stock Exchange. Why is visibility in the business world so important?
Yeah, well, thank you, Kristen. That's a great question. I think visibility matters because people feel comfort when they see visibility. Comfort, I think, leads to you bringing your authentic self to work day in, day out. I think that's what Pride is all about. And really, bringing your authentic self to work means you can feel comfort to be innovative. You can feel comfort to say what's on your mind. And I think that freedom really opens up businesses and corporations to more innovation, to be more successful, to have employees that stay at work. There's no turnover. And studies have shown that when visibility is put at the front and center of an organization, the company thrives and the business is more successful.
Matan, what does Pride mean to you?
It means to be true to who I am and be my authentic self. And I think in these days that we live in now, people appreciate that. People appreciate authenticity. And it also means representing what is maybe 10% of the population who are LGBT people, who are also our listed community and our prospective listed community. A lot of businesses today, specifically in the AI space, for example, are led by LGBTQ founders. And I think being authentic part of the community of the broader business world is what's important to me on that day.
What are you looking forward to, Erick, that's going to transpire here at the Stock Exchange for the summit?
Yeah, so for the summit, we have some fantastic leadership, really some iconic people who are game-changing in terms of their specific sectors. From the tech sector, we have folks, Martin Keeley, for example, from Carbon Free will be participating. We have David Shapiro from OpenVC. We have Jeremy Hymans from Purpose. Three fantastic panelists who I think will really lend themselves to that experience of being LGBT within the tech space. We have a great panel from the finance and the wealth management world, including Jackson Block, who leads the LGBT VC Foundation, as well as our co-sponsors, Bank of America. And then we have a fantastic arts panel, which this is the first of its kind that we're doing at the NYSE, where we'll have the performing arts, the visual arts, and actually the LGBT museum represented on stage for the first time. So I'm really excited about the diversity of the panelists that we've brought forth at this afternoon's program.
Yeah, and I'm sure it is truly a celebration, Matan. So talk to me more about that celebratory feel here that we're going to see transpire at the summit.
I think we wish this to be a place where people gather from all walks of life, not only from the IPO ecosystems, but also from the broader business community, and forge connections well into the future. And it started last year within our first inaugural summit. And some of the people speaking here tonight, we met them last year. So these connections have lasted, and what we really want to build here is a community. The NYSE is all about a community that we create here in this space, and a major part of this community now is the LGBTQ community in the business world. So we hope that this will foster more interaction, conversations, and just new connections being made.
Erick, what does Pride mean to you?
Pride, really for me, it's about coming to work, coming into every single situation, every single experience, true to myself, right? So it's about being authentic, but also knowing that your background and your experience is just one part of you. You're this mosaic of a number of different things, but being proud of all those different pieces in the mosaic. I think that's really what Pride means to me. And sometimes it's being LGBT. Sometimes it's being a little Hispanic kid from the Bronx who finally made it to the New York Stock Exchange. No matter what piece of me it is, I think I'm always leading with that level of pride and sort of self-worth and self-value. I think everyone should have really in their experience.
Gentlemen, thank you so much for joining.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chris.
Appreciate it.